This is the new improved Obsidian F2. I was told that the improvement is actually on the smoothness of the flight, more suited for cinematic shoot. So today we're going to test it out using no stabilization and default setting to see how the drone actually reacts without post-production. Now if the drone is able to fly more smoother, that will give the post-production a lot better results and better end image. Let's look at the flight video. The older version, whenever we do split airs, there tend to be a lot more vibration. This one seems to be improved a lot, although it still has a little bit, but it's not so much. One of the things is that what we want to see is we want to look out for vibration that is caused by the drone itself, not the shakiness because of my stick movement, stick control, but we are looking out for meter micro vibration caused by the either prop wash or for whatsoever reasons. It could be the fin of the drone that is flexing and vibrating. These are the things that we are looking out for that will cause problem for the image or the video. So it seems like there's quite a lot of improvement in terms of how smooth the drone actually flies compared to the older version. I would say that it's at least about 50% better. It's not that it's completely limited, but it's a lot more smoother. Okay, one of the things is that for a sub 250 drone, because it's very light, so often there might be strong wind that will cause the drone to vibrate a lot. But in this case, because of the motor, a lot more, I believe it's a lot more powerful. That helps to reduce this as well. Overall, it's quite a good result. Okay, that's all I have for you today.